Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well wherever you are. So today I am going to share with you my Petunia Starlet Blueberry Vein. Look how beautiful it is right now. It's been blooming for the whole season and I planted it in a small pot. So I plant some creeping Jenny on the bottom part and then one petunia plant on this pot, and it's doing amazing. Look how beautiful it is. Now I am going to show you the 3 other pots that I have that I planted petunia as well. There is the 3 pots that I have my petunia and creeping Jenny, and in the middle I have the calla lily plant on it. So most of you are asking about this pot during the tour that I did earlier. So this is my strawberry pot. So instead of planting a strawberry on it, I decided to plant a petunia and creeping Jenny and calla lily on it. And this is just my experiment. And I really like how it looks after. So here, let's see the other pot right here. So in this pot, so each hole on the side, I planted creeping Jenny. I love creeping Jenny. The color of it, it's just lighting up the pot. Look, it looks so beautiful on the side. And then here's the petunia on the top. And the calla lily. So imagine early summer, the calla lily has its beautiful white flower bloom, and it looks amazing with the petunia. So I repeated the same process with the other pot as well. So calla lily and then petunia, and on the side of the pots, each holes, I have my creeping Jenny on it, and I really liked it. And I'm thinking repeating the same thing next season. So this one right here in the middle, it's the small pot. This one I just planted the petunia and then the creeping Jenny as well. So this one I place a creeping Jenny on the top and then on the hole on the side as well. So this is how it look like. I really like to plant it in pot or a container because you can place them anywhere in your garden to decorate. And so this Petunia Starlet Blueberry Vein, it's an annual flower. It needs to be in the sun for more than 6 hours a day, and it attracts butterfly and hummingbird. It is tolerant to part shade and ideal for containers and flower beds. But I really like it on a container or in a pot because I like to decorate sometimes in the walkway, in the front of the house. You just can move them around all over your garden. And I really like how it looks like. And yes, I have a lot of comments on my previous tour video about these pots. So I said to myself, why don't I make one video just only for these pots and the petunia? So if ever you wanted to buy this plant for next season, so this is the Petunia Starlet Blueberry Bane. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful and stunning, and it gives you flowers for the whole season. So imagine each pot is only one petunia plant and it blooms nicely. Look at this one right here. Look at the blooms. So I water this pot every day, and sometimes it depends if it's too hot, it has to be twice a day, and I fertilized it once a week with the organic liquid fertilizer that I have. So yep, it looks amazing. Let's take a look the other one again. So the other one is over here, which is right on my table, and look how many blooms in just one flower. And by the way, the smell of this flower is really good. If only you could smell it. So anyways, that's all for today, and I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.